So hold on, you're telling me that you need pairing suggestions and tips on 15 re-release surfaces in just 3 minutes? Challenge accepted. Let's start with pairing suggestions for the much awaited Spascape. This is not a real bathroom. Here we have rustic chevron. See how it matches the darker areas of Spascape? How about white birch? See how the ever so slightly off-white matches the creamy towels right above my head? Now, with Scandinavian wood, we're pulling out all the lighter woods of the cabinets. Finally, let's warm it up with warm bamboo. Doesn't it just look like a wooden bath mat? I love this surface. Now we're talking towels, but not just one towel. This is 2 ice blue styling towels from the Iced Towel Trio. That is such a mouthful. What this does by using 2 towels and blending the seams as you billow them is it gives you both length and a ton of volume, just like this area in the foreground. As an alternative to all that billowing in the foreground, you can also use 2 of the same styling towel and billow behind your product to create this beautiful armchair that it's nestled within. By the way, this is Winter View, also coming back. Speaking of winter view, let's make it the start of this next tip. If you shoot anything that's relatively small and you typically go for flat lay because of that, things like sugar cookies like these, or enamel pins, or small soaps, anything like that, rather than it going straight to flat lay, you can actually create this eye level view by propping them up. What did we prop them up on? This is a wooden coaster. Look around your house, go to a home goods store, so inexpensive, amazing way to show off the beautiful detail of your small objects in an eye level photo. In the previous photo, the base surface was Scandinavian wood. That's this one here. You may have slept on it when it came out in July. I understand, but I'm telling you, I reach for this surface more often than almost any other surface I have. So let me show you how versatile it is. This paired with farmhouse. See how the light wood pulls out the lighter tones in the wear on farmhouse? Here's something similar, but with white birch, which just adds less texture if that's what you like. Also, note how good this styling is for winter scenes. By using these darker colored florals and these darker colored risers stacked like this, you get a winter vibe without being super, super winter, if that's your style. How about something darker with fog? See how it looks like smoke is rising from the candle? Also, amazing styling prop for all of you candle makers. Matches. The linear element really balances out all the roundness of your candles. Finally, haunted. To get it this dark, watch my video, I'll link to it below, and you'll find out what we do in editing to get it this dark. Finally, unexpected pairings. The creaminess of flax matches the creamy lights. Sage tile with rustic chevron? Wow. And absolute fan favorite, autumn view, warm bamboo, we're done.